I'm going to solve a bunch of pointer questions in this video. In the first question, we will see a simple integer pointer. Start with initializing an integer variable. Initialize pointer with the address of the variable. Print the value of the variable with dereferencing the pointer. Yes, it's done. Let's move on. In the second question, we will practice pointer arithmetic by displaying the third element of an integer array. Initialize an integer array with values. Initialize the pointer with the address of the first element of the array. Print the value of the third element by adding to the pointer and dereferencing it. Yes, let's continue. In the third question, we will practice dynamic memory allocation. Initialize an integer with the new operator. Assign a value to it. Print the value dereferencing it. And finally, delete the dynamically allocated memory. Alright, let's look at the next question. In the fourth question, we will practice array of pointers. Initialize an integer array with numbers. Initialize an integer pointer array with the same length. Iterate over the arrays and initialize pointers with the addresses of the values. Print the values dereferencing the pointers. Yes, we've got the expected results. In the fifth question, we will practice function pointers. We are going to call a function via a pointer to it. First, define a simple add function. Initialize a function pointer. Assign the function we declared above to the pointer. And here, call the function via the pointer and get the result. And finally, print the result. Yes, we can continue. In the next question, we will practice pointer to pointer. We are going to assign a value to an integer variable via a pointer to pointer. Define an integer variable. Initialize a pointer with the address of it. And initialize a pointer to pointer with the address of the first pointer. Assign a value using the pointer to. And confirm that the value is assigned by printing the value of a. Yes, it is confirmed. In the next question, we will practice pointers and functions. We are going to write the swap function that takes two integer pointers. Declare the function taking two integer pointer parameters. Implement the swap functionality. Define two integer variables and prompt the user to enter values for them. After reading the inputs, call the swap function with the references of integer variables. And finally, print the results. Try with example values. And yes, the values are swapped. In the next question, we will practice pointers and strings. We are going to write a string length function taking a char pointer. Define the function. Implement the functionality by checking end of string character. Define a char array to hold the string and prompt the user to enter a string value. Use the getLine function to get the string input. Call the string length function by passing the char array and print the output. Let's try with a couple of string values. And that's okay, let's continue. In the next question, we will practice pointers and structures using dynamic memory allocation also. Define a person struct with name and age attributes. Initialize a person instance with dynamically allocating memory. Prompt the user to enter name and age values and get the input. Print the name and age values. And finally, delete the dynamically allocated person. We missed a semicolon here. Alright, thank you for watching. See you on next video.